Nakabig na. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako si Robic Bulganos, taga Mabini mo kada Tarlac. So, ang ituro ko ngayon ay about sa science. Alright. Okay, a spacecraft is a vehicle or machine designed to fly in outer space. Okay, ito yung mga spaceship na nakikita natin sa mga panood. Alright, kapag sinabing spaceship, ito yung ginagamit para magpunta sa kalawakan at ito rin yung ginagamit ng tao para magpadala ng mga bagay-bagay at bumuo ng, for example, solar system and parang gumagawa rin ng satellite. Ginagamit rin yung yung vehicle na ito para gumawa ng satellite na lumilibot sa atin. So para mas maintindihan nyo, papanood nyo kung paano ginagawa yung spacecraft na ginagamit ng mga tao upang mas mapadali yung pamumuhay natin. Alright.
How do we launch things into space? You've probably seen beautiful photos of Earth and other planets in our solar system. Those photos were often captured by spacecraft, robotic explorers doing their work far away from Earth. But how exactly do we send these spacecraft so far away? Well, it starts with a rocket. A really, really big one. Why rockets? A spacecraft and basically everything else on Earth is held down by Earth's gravity. However, a rocket burns fuel, called propellant, to push away from Earth and against gravity. This creates a force called thrust. A rocket needs enough fuel and thrust to speed up to at least 17,800 miles per hour. That's how fast you'll have to get going to fly above most of Earth's atmosphere and stay in orbit. Next, the rocket will release the spacecraft, but when that happens depends on where you're going. A spacecraft that orbits Earth is sometimes called a satellite. A satellite is released from a rocket at a specific distance from Earth. There, it keeps going around Earth in a circular path and orbit. This happens because there is a balance between the energy the satellite picked up from the rocket, called momentum, and the pull of Earth's gravity. The balance of these two forces can keep a satellite in orbit for many years. But what happens if you want to go farther than Earth? If you're trying to get to another planet, you'll need a fast rocket to overcome Earth's gravity. And you still need to release the spacecraft rocket. But you'll also need to figure out the best time to leave Earth to get to that planet. Mars, for example. For 2 years or so, Mars and Earth are close. This is the time to Mars, since it will take the least amount of fuel and time to get there. And if you want to explore even farther planets like Saturn, plan carefully. For example, will your spacecraft want to encounter Mars or Jupiter on its way to Saturn? But don't worry, all the planning is worth it when you end up with a view like this one. Find out more about our solar system at NASA Space Place.
Alright, so sa video ay nakakita kung gaano ka-importante yung technology sa pamumuhay natin. Alright, because what is how to become our life here and it's how, para magkaroon or mas mapalaki ang pag-iisip ng tao at mahigitan yung kaya natin gawin. Alright, kasi hindi naman napaka-posible na napaka-posible na punta tayo sa kalawakan ng technology. Alright, so ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nakapunta yung mga tao or yung tao sa Mars. Alright, ito ay nangyari maraming taon na yung nakalipas.
20 seconds and counting. 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 1, 0. All engines running. Liftoff. We have liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower clear.
We've got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts 11 on proper head. altitude's 2 miles.
So ayun, napanood nyo kung paano nakapunta yung tao sa Mars, and masasabi ko na napakahirap magkaroon, kung nga napakahirap or makapunta yung tao sa ibang planeta without technology. Walang technology. So pero hindi rin madaling bumuo ng isang bagay na makakapunta sa Mars, dahil kailangan pag-isipang mabuti, kailangan pag-aralan. Because maraming perang magagastos bago ka makabuo ng ganyang bagay. Alright, so ayan. Why spaceship is important? Alright, tanongin ko kayo, bakit mahalaga yung mga spaceship daw ngayon? And Rose, bakit mahalaga sa tingin mo yung mga spaceship? Dahil makakatulong ito sa tao. Tama. Dahil nakakatulong ito sa pamumuhay ng tao. Mas napapalawak ang pag-isip ng bawat isa, at mas napapalawak yung kaalaman ng bawat isa when it comes to exploring the solar system. Ikaw, ano ba yung tingin mo, bakit importante yung karoon natin ng mga spacecraft or spaceship? Ayan, tama. Because sabi ko nga, nakakatulong siya para magkaroon ng kaalaman at mapalawak yung kaalaman natin. Thank you, that's all our lesson 4. O Justin, ano yung sa tingin mo yung naitutulong ng mga spaceship sa atin? Para? Yes, that's right. Para makatulong sa pamumuhay natin. Kasi mahirap yung wala tayong kaalaman sa labas ng Earth. Alright. Sa tingin, meron pa ba kayong mga tanong? Alright, so that is the last part of my report. Thank you and good afternoon. Hindi pa tapos na English pa.